Guy, a former assistant in the football office, 6 days ago filed a claim against Rodriguez. She says his actions created a hostile work environment, caused her emotional and physical distress, and created strife in her marriage. This 9-page filed with the Attorney General's office asks for $7.5 million in compensation. The woman, Melissa Wilhelmsen, says she worked as an assistant to the director of football operations starting in 2007. She says Rodriguez produced a secret hideaway book each season for coaches and some staff members. The claim says the book was meant to establish Rodriguez's control of the group and protect his reputation. Wilhelmsen says as a result, she was forced to lie to Rodriguez's wife multiple times about his affair. She says this environment led to an office saying, "Title IX doesn't exist in our office." She claims the hostile environment led coaches to make and laugh at sexually suggestive comments made about her and her daughter, who was a U of A student and worked for the program at the time. Wilhelmsen says Rodriguez made advances at her, attempting to kiss her and touching the side of her breast in his office in January of 2017. She says in February of last year, Rodriguez grabbed his genitalia under his athletic shorts while he talked with her in his office. When she tried to transfer out of the department, Wilhelmsen says other administrators at the U of A didn't want to do it, saying Rodriguez would be, quote, pissed. Wilhelmsen says during that time, Rodriguez's wife called her more and more often to ask questions about rumors of Rodriguez's affair. After leaving the U of A for another job last fall, Wilhelmsen says she suffered migraines and marital problems. The University of Arizona released a statement last week saying it conducted a 10-week independent investigation into these claims, but cleared Rodriguez of any wrongdoing after it says Wilhelmsen didn't produce correspondence that she claimed could have corroborated her story. Rodriguez, in a tweet late last night after the university announced that he had been terminated, acknowledged the affair, but denied doing anything inappropriate or any wrongdoing. U of A administrators denied our repeated requests for on-camera interviews today. Coach Rodriguez didn't respond to our requests for comment or an interview. I did speak with Wilhelmsen's attorney. He says they're not talking on camera for now, but that they do plan to file an additional claim regarding this same situation in the coming days. When that happens, we will bring you that information. Guy, back to you.
Kevin, thank you. The claim also mentions the death of Arizona lineman Zach Hemela in August 2016. It says Matt Dudek, recruiting director, brought Hemela to Rodriguez, saying the senior needed help. The claim says Rodriguez says he'll be fine and did nothing. The next day, Hemela was found dead in his bed. His death was ruled an accidental painkiller overdose. This is video of Hemela's family being honored before the start of an Arizona football game last season at the University of Phoenix Stadium in Glendale.